All right, we're going to talk about how to update your QuickBooks file to the latest release. Okay, so first of all, the latest release is not the latest version of QuickBooks, right? Version is 16.0, 17.0, or 2016, 2017 when you're in the Pro and Premier space. The latest release is Intuit releases mid-year product updates, right? So generally when a new product comes out in September, right, like 16.0 came out in September of 2015, then pretty soon after, usually, we have a couple of releases that come out, right? Usually when the product comes out, it's already in release 2 or 3. And then as it goes wide and, people find little bugs and things like that, then new releases will be released. So a lot of the time people have it set up to automatically update their QuickBooks file. And so when you log into QuickBooks, it'll ask you, do you want to update? And then you can download the updates. Okay. So again, releases are all year round. There's no set time. It's usually every 4 to 6 weeks that I see it. Every once in a while, it'll go a little bit longer. So how do we do that? So if you want to push an update through, or for some reason it can't update, so you can go to Help here, and then we can go down to Update QuickBooks. Okay. And then we can just choose to say Update Now. But before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and go through the other tabs here. So we do have options. You can turn on if you want it to automatically update. Okay, it still will take you initiating it, but you can automatically update. You can also share the download. So if you're in a server environment, right, and it takes downloading this new release, right, from the internet, sometimes if you have 5, 10, 15 people who are using QuickBooks and each of them have to download that update, then it can be quite a lot of time spent downloading stuff off the internet. So you can do instead a shared download. So that way it'll download just one time and then everybody will share that downloaded patch. Okay, so you can choose to do that. So once I say share it, right, then you can see where the download location is going to be, and then you just need to make sure that all the users have access to that same folder. All right, now that's going to update the QuickBooks software. That's not going to update the server manager, so you still need to go in and update the server manager. Okay, also you can choose which updates you want to update automatically. I've never seen anybody uncheck these really, but you can choose to uncheck 1 or 2 of them, I guess. And then we also have Update Now. Okay, so an Update Now, you can kind of go in and force the update. So sometimes customers will come in here, they'll go click Updates. It'll run through all the different updates that are possible. If there are any updates that are needed, it'll tell you, and then it'll start the progress bar for you. Okay. Now occasionally, QuickBooks still won't update it, even though we have this Update Now. So you do occasionally have to go to the support website. So the way to get there is you're going to open up a web browser, and you're going to go to community.intuit.com. Okay. Once you're in community.intuit.com, the first thing you want to check is that you're looking at QuickBooks for Windows right here. And if you're not looking at QuickBooks for Windows, I think it generally defaults to QuickBooks Online. You want to change it and make sure you're choosing QuickBooks Desktop for Windows. Then on the side down here, they're going to have downloads and updates. Okay. So if you're trying to update with a particular release, see they have the update button here, so you can download those patches as well. All right, so that's how you update your file to the newest release.